Hi, my name is Miri Leno, email copywriter. And today I want to talk to you about Black Friday strategies specifically to emails. And the first one is, a lot of people are asking, should I be emailing my audience now? Wouldn't they be getting a lot of my emails on Black Friday? And I don't want to overwhelm them. Well, the truth is, no, this is really the time where you want to be nurturing your audience. This is the time where you want to get to know them. This is the time when you want to email them so that they know that you're going to be persistent, that you're going to be consistent when it comes to your emails. Get them trained to see you in their inbox. That's really what it comes down to. And you still have a month to do that, so you can definitely email them consistently every week, every other day, whatever fits in your schedule. Just make sure that it's consistent. Number 2, what happens before Black Friday? How do I connect with them? So really, before Black Friday, you want to let them know what the offer is. Not maybe so far in advance in October, but maybe a few weeks, 2 weeks before Black Friday, even 2.5 weeks before Black Friday, you want to let them know what the offer is. You want to build up the excitement. Maybe have a countdown timer. Come up with a strategic or a cute way to count down the days for the offer to launch. Get them excited. Give them some type of rewards if they are one of the first ones to sign up, or letting them know that it's coming up soon, and build up the momentum with maybe 10 benefits that you will gain from me in 10 days before Black Friday. And all of that ties together with your offer. There's a lot of different ways to go about it. If you want to explore some options, send me a message and I will love to talk to you about it. But the main thing is to make sure that you're building up momentum and that it's clear what your offer is going to be before Black Friday comes around. Finally, the last one is to make sure that you're emailing your audience. Obviously, not just during Black Friday. That's very important, of course. But the last minute ones, there's a lot of people who wait last minute to get things done. It comes for Black Friday as well. So whenever you're emailing your audience, make sure that you focus on those last minute people who like to wait until midnight to make the purchase. Have a deadline with your offers. Say it's going to be ending on Monday at 12 o'clock midnight Pacific time, because that's going to really give them an idea of how long they have until they have to wait. And after midnight, sorry, that's it, my friend. That's it. You're done. You cannot accept anybody else, because that sets a precedent in the future. So there you have it, a couple of information tips for Black Friday when it comes to email. Make sure that you are prepared, because we only have a few weeks to get that done. My name is Miri Leno, email copywriter. If you need help with email marketing on Black Friday or email marketing in general, I'll be happy to help. Have a good rest of your day.